What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the victory of Christ before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the victory of Christ works. What is victory of Christ? God's promises are not distant or unreachable. They are meant to be experienced, embraced, and walked in every day. Healing is one of those divine gifts, where God's power touches every aspect of our lives, bringing restoration and wholeness to our hearts, bodies, and minds. Whether we are facing physical illness, emotional wounds, or spiritual struggles, God promises to heal us and make us whole again. His healing is not just a momentary relief, but a lasting transformation that renews us from the inside out. Victory of Christ. Overflowing blessings are also part of God's incredible plan for His children. These blessings aren't limited to material wealth, though that can certainly be part of the equation. More importantly, God promises blessings in every area of life, relationships, opportunities, joy, and purpose. As we walk in alignment with Him, our lives overflow with goodness, grace, and favor, far beyond what we could ever ask or imagine. His blessings are abundant, and He delights in pouring them out on His children. Unshakable peace is another promise that God offers. In a world full of turmoil and uncertainty, it's easy to feel anxious or overwhelmed. But God's peace transcends the chaos around us, offering stability, calm, and confidence in His sovereignty. This peace isn't based on external circumstances. It's an inner peace that comes from knowing that God is in control, and that we are safe in His care. His peace guards our hearts and minds, ensuring that no matter what storms may come, we can remain steadfast and unshaken. These promises are not far off or reserved for a select few. They are available to all who trust in God, who believe in His power, and who choose to step into the fullness of what He has prepared for them. Healing, blessings, and peace are not distant goals. They are within your reach today. All you need to do is take that step of faith, embrace God's promises, and watch as He faithfully brings them to life in your circumstances. God's heart is for your restoration, your prosperity, and your peace. He desires that you live a life full of His goodness, walking in divine health, abundant provision, and a peace that passes all understanding. Step into His promises and experience the transformative power of His love in every area of your life.